What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you all with yet another video. Here we're having an unboxing of my subscription from Oso Paper. This is my first subscription, not really box, but sticker subscription, I guess. But before we get into opening this up, if you guys are new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I do all things planner and craft related here. And if you are into those kinds of things, you will definitely enjoy this channel. And also, I don't say it too often, but thank you for my subscribers who keep coming back and watching my videos and leaving me comments. I really appreciate you guys. You definitely helped me grow this channel, and I am really proud of my small little channel and how much it has grown just this year. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the stickers. So like I said, this is my first subscription with Oso Paper. I have had some of her stickers before, and I love them. This month's theme was kind of a nap time theme, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So let me take this out, make sure like my address or anything isn't in there, and we'll get into it. All right, so I think we are good as far as exposing myself on the internet. Here is how it came. So it looks like we got the monthly sticker. This will be April's, I want to say box so bad, but it's not technically a box. April's subscription. And we have some Poetry Girls, which I absolutely love. I think I am going to give the card. Let's go ahead and open this up. How does this open? I think I'm going to give the card to my friend because I feel like she would like this. So I might mail her the journaling. It looks like a journaling card, but we'll see. Uh-oh. Oh, it is a magnet. I thought it was a sticker. So we have a magnet here, as you can see. This is absolutely adorable. I want to put it in my fridge, but my husband and my son will destroy it. So I don't know where I'm going to put it. I might just put it on my cart. Let me see if it sticks. Yay, it sticks just fine. And I'll like insert a picture because I'm not going to take down my camera or anything of how it looks on my cart. I think it's so cute. It is so cute. So here's the magnet, and then we have, oh, it is a postcard. It says bonjour, kind of fitting the theme of poetry. I love it. Oh, I'm so in love with this. Like I said, I was going to give this to my friend, but now I just have to because it is a postcard. That's so cute. Okay, so I believe all the stickers are in here, but now I am super intrigued. Oh, she has me. Yeah, she has me. So this is the Mini Nista. Looks like it's a coloring book. Oh, and you guys, I am in the midst of making a little kind of social distancing little book, so this is definitely going to go in there. I love it. So cute. This is my fave. Aw, this is so adorable. Let me sleep. I love this. Look at that's the cover. It's so cute. Isn't that just adorable? So you get a little coloring book. Wait. Oh, so cute. So cute. It's just, it's so much. At first I thought it was like a little magazine the way it's written, but I'm excited for this coloring book, and you guys will see that video coming out fairly shortly. So it's going to feature this. That is so stinking cute. So let's go ahead and get into the stickers. This is typically how all the Oso Paper stickers come, in this really bright neon pink envelope. So looks like we do get the April freebie, which is poetry. It says, oh, spoken word, which is cute. So cute. And then let's go ahead and get into the stickers. Let's get a little closer so you can kind of see the details. I'll move you all around. So we have Roxy, and it says sleep all day. So you have two small ones and a big and a medium sized one. Serenity. So cute. I love her little locks and her PJs. That is so cute. This is like perfect timing for the times as well, because I literally been in PJs all month. So next sheet we have Reagan, and she has her little, I think it's a unicorn, maybe it's a panda, I don't know. So each person we get like a big, a medium, and 2 small. Have Ava or Eva. I like Ava. Then we have Aisha. I think that's how it's pronounced. Elisha? I don't know how it's pronounced. I'm butchering people's name here. So cute. Nat with her shorts. Here is Gabrielle. She is so stinking cute. And then here's the last page. We have Trisha, and as you can see from the coloring sheets, they're the same girls, so you can change up the way they look, or you can color them the same way as your stickers. Okay, now is this one has to be Aisha. Child, look, they got the same name, it's just spelled different. Let Me Sleep. She is too cute. Haley down here with her full-on jumpsuit. And then last but not least is Gina. I love her braids. So cute. Alright guys, so that is it. This is the full subscription. You want to say bots. Full subscription from the Oso Paper Company. This is April's subscription of 2020. I think it is completely worth it. It was $19.99, free shipping, and there's just so much, there's so much in here. Like I can't even how like cute this is. I think I am going to start putting my stickers that I get from like Etsy shops or small shops that's basically not in the actual sticker book and a sticker album. Instead of like the photo albums that I used to do for my stickers, I have one here. This one I got from Chicago Planner Conference, so I might start sticking them into here. And also my honeybee shop one too I have, but just so that I can like really like go to them instead of just having them pretty much die in my sticker album. So I am definitely going to be using a few of these stickers for some upcoming spreads, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because I do several spreads per week, but I only give you guys maybe 1 or 2 plan with me videos per week. So you're definitely missing out on some really cute spreads, so make sure you are following me there at Myra Plans It. But again, that's it for this video. So as I always leave you, if you want it, plan it and do it. Bye guys.